Happy New Year. Wanted to do a little Copart Jeep update. As you can tell, we've already had it fixed. And of course, with these big old tires, anytime you drive down the road, it's going to sling mud and dirt on the side. But we had this pillar here replaced completely. All this replaced. These sections up in here, the fender, the flares. Had a little dent over here that we fixed, and a very good job was done. Heath did a perfect job on it. But anyway, it's looking really good. Got a little leak right there, leaking a good bit of water actually when it's raining, so we're going to go get the door adjusted. And my buddy Heath that did the work is going to adjust it for us. Turned out really nice. Be sure to be looking for some more videos I'm going to be doing of my other vehicles. Just kind of an update on what I'm doing to each one. Boy, doesn't that thing look sweet with 35s on it. We still got to swap out a tire and put a step bar on this side, or some rock guards, one or the other. It's pretty easy to get into even without the steps, so we might go stepless, but I want something protecting that. And without that step bar, I'm gonna tell you, you drive down a gravel road when it's raining, the whole side is covered in gravel and sand, well, sand really. So we got to figure out something to do about that so that sand's not all over the windows when you're rolling them down and all that mess. If you've got an idea on some type of mud flap that doesn't make a nice Jeep look stupid, leave it in the comments for me. Anyway, Happy New Year again to you guys. Appreciate you washing. There you go, there's a blooper. Appreciate you washing. How about that? It definitely needs to be washed right now. All right, well, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.